Hi Kipsters, so today you will be able to make connections between two texts, which means we're looking at paired passages. That means we have one text and we have another text and we're determining how they are the same and how they are different. Remember that when we find ways that they are the same and they are different, we need to go back into both texts and make sure that both statements are true and they are both happening in the text, no matter if they're the same or they are different. But I will go more in depth with that when we get to the model part. So the first thing I want you to do, or the first activity I want you to do, is your do now. And your do now says look at the pictures. So this is picture 1 and this is picture 2. And it says what is happening in picture 1, write your answer here. What is happening in picture 2, write your answer here. And how are the pictures connected, and you're writing your answer here. So you're going to literally write your answers in the PowerPoint, okay? So you just click it for the first one. This is your second picture. You're writing your answer there. And then you're writing your answer for your another question right here, okay? So they're all the same color, the same answer. Next, you're going to do your introduction. And remember, if you can't read this text, you can always push present so the text can be bigger. Then you have questions. It says, what does it mean to compare and contrast? Your answers will be coming from the text. So you should have whatever it says here in the text written down here. So it also says, what are 2 ways a text can connect with one another? So in the text, they give us 2 ways that you can connect the text. And the last question says, what can you ask yourself to help make connections? So we can look on the text, and we can also look in this chart that's obviously covered. So same thing here, you're literally just clicking and you're writing the answers here. You're just writing them here, here, and here. Okay? Then you're going to watch a model that I'm going to do. So to watch it, you would push present and then you would click this button here. But this is not the model, I'm just showing you a random YouTube video. Then we're going to go to the try it section. So in the try it section, you have both passages. And remember, if you can't read it like this, you just push present and it gets bigger for you to read it. Then it says complete the Venn diagram below. If you see, I already have how they are the same. Your job is to write how they are different in these boxes. Then it says to answer the question in green. So it says, what is one way the selections are different? So you're going to answer, one way they are different is that, and then you're going to tell me why they're different, and you're going to give me the text evidence as well. The text says, and then just give me text evidence from both passages. Okay? Then for your guided practice, you have 2 passages, the crow in the picture and crow in the tools. You're going to read crow in the picture and then write the gist here. Then you're going to read crow in the tools and write the gist here. Finally, on this exercise, you are going to then go and do your Venn diagram. You're going to tell me how they are the same in this box. You're telling me how they are the same. Then you are telling me how they are different here. Then you're going to read the question, and you're going to move your circle wherever you want to whatever you think the best answer is. And then you're going to justify your answer here with text evidence. All right, guys? So remember, if you have any questions or you need any help, please leave a comment in your work, in your Google Classroom, and I will be happy to help you. If you also just don't remember what to do, you can always just play back this video for yourself. Thanks, guys. Bye.